Believing in God is like being an adult and believing in Santa Claus. It's like waiting for some non existent power to fix your life because you are too scared to hold yourself accountable for it. We humans are always running from our mistakes. Admitting them is hard, so we just blame everything on God. We are poor and suffering. Maybe we committed sins in our past life, therefore, God is punishing us. You have joint pain and can't afford to visit a doctor, just pray to God, He will fix it. But it never gets fixed until you actually see a doctor, and when you finally manage to get the money to visit one, people say it happened because I prayed and God sent someone to help me, as if you couldn't have gotten that help without praying too. This is how religious people think. Religion is a psychological disease. If God truly existed, would He have created 10 different religions and communities? कहाँ है भगवान की unity and the same rules for everyone? If God exists, is He a hypocrite? Why does He discriminate? Why is someone allowed to have 4 wives in one religion while in another eating meat is prohibited? In one religion, sacrificing animals in the name of God shows your devotion towards Allah. In another, it's seen as something that should be avoided. Where is the fairness in that? Even if God exists, He wouldn't create different religions. All this is man-made. But we refuse to change our minds. We blindly believe what our ancestors believed because we are supposed to be obedient. But isn't blind obedience something animals are trained to do? That's exactly what all religions teach, blind obedience. Wasn't Guru Nanak also a Hindu before he founded Sikhism? Didn't he refuse to blindly obey? Didn't he reject stupidity? Then what's stopping us? We are living in the 21st century where religion is less about moral values and more about operation, extreme devotion, non-stop worship and pleasing God instead of actually working on solving real social issues. Religion is just a coping mechanism, but once you outgrow the disease, you won't need a coping mechanism anymore. I've met so many religious people who laugh at each other's religions. क्या मानते हैं लोग? कभी सोचा है तू क्या मानता है? हमारी अक्ल बस हमारे मज़हब पे आके बंद हो जाती है. When we pray, we shut off our minds. We are taught if you get what you pray for, thank God. If you don't, have patience. But we are never taught to actually work for what we want, only to wait for it. Am I supposed to have patience until I die? They say give your all and leave the rest on God. But what if your 100% is just 10% of what's actually required? You have to give what truly needs to be given in order to get what you want, not just what you can give and then leave the rest on God. And isn't Kim Jong-un treated like a god in North Korea? Why do we criticize their loyalty towards him? Because it's dictatorship and brainwashing, right? फिर हम में और उनमें क्या फ़र्क है? Isn't God a dictator too? And if you remove Kim Jong-un, our whole world is basically just one big North Korea in a nutshell.